Panasonic FSV. Okay, model U-6LE2H4. Okay, this is a latest model R410 Mini VRF. Okay, inside have two circuit board. One is a control board, another one is a control board SIC. Mean we normally call SIC. Okay, control board. SIC. Okay, this is SIC board. Fuel motor. Compressor. This is compressor, yeah. Power supply, single phase. This is communication wire for outdoor unit, outdoor to indoor unit. This is a number of indoor unit. Okay. Number of indoor unit. Okay, now set to 4 unit. I change to 3 unit. Okay, this put to off. Put to off. Okay, this is a RC address number 1. Okay, you can put number 1, number 2, number 3 also can. This address only, RC address. Okay, if this one up is 11, this 2 up is 21. Okay, this is the setting. Before test run, you must check and do the setting. Okay, this is a EEPROM. When you replace the PCB, if you replace, either you can use back the EEPROM, either you replace the new EEPROM. But new EEPROM, you must check the setting. And this pin you short, the indoor will on and outdoor also will running. This is the address. When you short the pin, will auto address. Okay, this is stop button. This is check button. Okay, this is test button. This is indoor unit, ducted unit. And this is power supply. You need to the indoor unit need additional power supply socket. Okay, this is a signal receiver, either wire remote control. Connect to the remote control line. Okay, this is a unit controller line. Okay, this is a signal communication wire. Okay, indoor unit 1 PCB only. The model. Okay, S-56 MF3E5A. Okay. On. Okay, we switch on indoor. On lah? Huh? Okay, the power light is on. Okay, power is on. Okay, outdoor power is on. Okay, for VRF, the indoor and outdoor power supply is separate. Okay, wait, the two red light go off. Then you can start to run the unit. This is also important. This is RC, RC, the blue color clip. You also can put the remote control here, wire remote. Okay, I show example auto address. Okay, sort the pin. Okay, wait, the light go off. Yeah, the two light blink is under auto address. Okay, wait, the light go off. Okay, the light go off. Now we can on the aircon. Either you can sort here run or test. Either you can on by remote control on the indoor unit. Okay, power on. Okay, power on. Okay, aircon is running. This demo set. This is demo set.